So if you're using Visual Studio Code or VS Code, then you might face one issue wherein what happens is that if you try to open the file, for example, I have opened this testplan.md, and now if you open another file, say this QA-interview.md, you can see the test plan was replaced by QA interview, and you can also notice this name of the file is in the italics and this name is in the non-italics. So when the file is in italics, it means that it is open in the preview mode, and what happens is that if you open another file, that file will be replaced like that. So if you want to disable that preview mode, then you can do that, but there is workaround to fix this. All you have to do is just double click on the file, and you can see italics is removed. That means if you open another file, that file will be open in different tab, as you can see. So if you click on the file, it will open in the preview mode anyways, but if you double click on the file, it will be open in non-preview mode. That means the next file will not replace that file. So basically, in short, what you have to do is you have to double click on the file, and that file will be open in new tab. Or if you want to disable this feature altogether, then what you have to do is you have to go to command palette, and then over there you have to go to preferences and open settings. You can type in here like that, and then open the JSON settings. In here you have to add one property, that is workbench.editor.enable preview is equal to false. So when you do that, what happens is that every time you open the file with single click or double clicks, it doesn't matter, it is always open in non-preview mode. That means in new tab. As you can see, all the files are now opening in the new tab. So that's it. So just remember this property, workbench.editor.enable preview is equal to false. Thanks for watching this video.